Did you know? When we sneeze, the air that comes out of our nose and mouth can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. That's faster than many cars on the road. Sneezing happens as the body's way of clearing the nose from dust, dirt, or other irritants. What's even more surprising is that the particles released during a sneeze can travel up to 8 meters. That's why it's important to cover your mouth with a tissue or your inner elbow when sneezing to prevent spreading germs to others. So from now on, don't forget to practice proper sneeze etiquette. So,